Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel All NCERT Solution. So today we are going to discuss remaining questions of exercise 5.5. Till now we have covered question number 6 of exercise 5.5. So starting with question number 7, here we have y equals to log x raised to x plus x raised to log x, and we have to calculate differentiation of y function with respect to x. Okay, in this exercise we have come across all the question involving in logarithm functions. So this question also be solved with the help of logarithm function. As I have already told you that if you encounter any term or any expression which involving power, so we have to use log function. Here you see that log x is raised to the power of x, and here x term, x expression is raised to the power of log x. So we will be using log here. First we will let these terms as separate. Let this log x raised to x be t, and let similarly u be x raised to log x. So now separating our partition, first let t equals to log x raised to x. Okay, as you are seeing that here the function logarithm function is raised to the power of x, so we will be using log function here. So taking log both sides, what we have left with, in LHS side we would have log t equals to log x raised to x, log x raised to x. And as you all know that any power raised to function with logarithm function will come to base and get multiplied with the base function. That is, log x raised to n is always equals to n log x. Log x raised to n is always equal to n log x. Here we have log x, let this whole function be x raised to n. Here we have n equals to x. Okay, so what we will write here, n log x means we will write x power will come to the base and get multiplied to the base function, means we would have x into log x, and in LHS side we will be having like log t, and then we see that this is the simplified function, this is the simplified form of this function. So we will be performing differentiation operation here, differentiating both sides. After differentiation of log t is 1 upon t dt by dx. We differentiate this whole function with respect to x because we have to get dy by dx here. We have to find out dy by dx. So differentiating this whole function with respect to x, we have left with 1 upon t log t, as differentiation of log x is always 1 upon x. So differentiation of log t will be 1 upon t into dt by dx. Okay, so similarly differentiating on RHS side, x into log x into log x. So here you are seeing that this is a multiplication of two functions. So we will apply product rule here. What product rule says? According to product rule, we will have second function, means log x into differentiation of first function means dy dx of x plus first function means x into differentiation of second function dy dx of second function which is log x. So differentiation of x with respect to x is always 1. So log x into 1 log x into 1 plus x into, as you all know that differentiation of log function is 1 upon x. So here in place of x, log x is here. So differentiation of log x will be 1 upon log x into dy dx of this function. Here there is x, so differentiation of x is always with respect to x is always 1, but now we have log x here, so we will also differentiate log x function here, dy dx of log x. And as you all know, dy dx of log x is 1 upon x. So writing it over here, we would have left with x into log x into 1 upon x. And as you are all seeing that x will cancel out x, cancelling out the terms, okay. So we have left with log x log x plus 1 upon log x. And on RHS side we have 1 upon t dt by dx, 1 upon t dt by dx. Here from this assumption we have left that t equals to log x raised to x, t is equals to log x raised to x. So putting value of t here, we will get d by dx of log x raised to x, and there is multiplication of 1 upon t here, and we have to get here d by dx of log x raised to x plus d by dx of x raised to log x. Actually in this question we have to find out dy by dx, and here y equals to log x raised to x plus x raised to log x. So we will be differentiating this term, and after differentiation we would get dy by dx is equals to, and then differentiation of both these terms here. So we have to find out the value of differentiation of log x raised to x, and by following these steps we will be able to calculate this here. As you are seeing this, that we have to calculate this and we have find this, but there is a multiplication of 1 upon t here, 1 upon t here. And what is the value of t? T is log x raised to x. So for finding log x raised to x differentiation, we have to multiply this term into RHS, this term to RHS. So we will multiply this term here, and putting the value of t, which is log x raised to x, which is log x raised to x, okay. So this will be answer to our differentiation of first function, okay. So writing the differentiation of this function here, which is log x raised to x log x log x plus 1 upon log x, okay. And now we have to calculate differentiation of this term, that is x raised to log x. So we would follow the same steps that we have followed here. First we will take log both sides, like there we have taken log there, and then simplified this term, and then simply perform the differentiation operation here, okay. And after applying product rule, we would get the answer like this. So now we will be calculating differentiation of x raised to log x, letting it be as u. So you let u equals to x raised to log x, following the same steps as we done in previous procedure, taking log both sides. So we would have log u in LHS and log x raised to log x in RHS. Okay, taking log both sides, we would have left with these terms. Then by this rule, by this identity, we would be simplifying this term, log x raised to n. N is here log x. So as you already know that if a function is raised to any power, it will get multiplied to the base function. So log x into log x. Log x will come here. Log x will come here and get multiplied to the base function. Base function is log x. Base function is log x and power function is log x. So power function will get multiplied to the base function. So we would have log x into log x means log x whole square. Log x whole square. In LHS side we have log u here. So performing differentiation step here, differentiating both sides with respect to x, we will have differentiation of u function is 1 upon u du by dt. Differentiation of log u is 1 upon u du by dt by this formula. Okay, 1 upon u du by dt equals to du by dx. Du by dx, because we have to calculate differentiation of y function with respect to x here. So we will be calculating differentiation of u function with respect to x here. Okay, so 1 upon u du by dx equals to d by dx of log x whole square. 1 upon d by dx of log x whole square. As you already know what the differentiation of this function will be, it will be like 2n into x raised to n minus 1. X raised to n minus 1. As you already know, differentiation of d by dx of x raised to n is nx minus 1. Nx minus 1. So differentiation of this will be 2 into log x 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 because here n is 2. So what we have left with 2 into log x. 2 into log x. And here we have 1 upon u du by dx. So putting value of u from equation number 2 here, we will have d by dx of x raised to log x equals to 2 log x. And as you already see that we have to find here d by dx of x raised to log x. So we have there this term in our LHS side. But along with this term we have also 1 upon u here. Okay. So for finding this term we would multiply this in the RHS. Means we would shift 1 upon u to RHS. So after shifting it would be like 2 log x into u. 2 log x into u. So putting value of u here, which is x raised to log x. X raised to log x. Okay. So this will be differentiation of our second function. And putting the value of this function here, we will have 2 log x into x raised to log x. 2 log x into x raised to log x. So differentiation of y with respect to x is like this. Log x raised to x, log x plus 2 log x into x raised to log x. And this will be the answer to our question. First we have let these terms as independent and separate as t and u, different taking log on both terms and then simplifying them, and after last step, that is differentiation, we will get the answer of these differentiation, and putting the value of these differentiation of these function, we will get answer like this. Okay, so moving to question number 8, we have y equals to sin x raised to x plus sin inverse root x. We have to find out dy by dx here. So how do we do this type of questions? As you already know that in this term we will be using log function here, because there is a power, okay, power raised to any base function. So we will be using log function here. But in this term you are seeing that there is no such case, and there is an inverse function, that is sin inverse x, sin inverse root x. So we will be able to direct differentiate this function. As I have already told you in my previous video, differentiation of sin inverse x is 1 upon under root 1 minus x square. So we will be using this identity here, because we can simply calculate differentiation of inverse function, that is dy dx of sin inverse x is 1 upon under root 1 minus x square. So first differentiating both sides with respect to x, in LHS we will have dy by dx equals to d by dx of sin x whole raised to x plus d by dx of sin inverse root x. Okay, so we will calculate differentiation of first term using log function. So doing this in partition, next partition, for this side we will have d by dx of sin inverse root x will be 1 upon under root 1 minus, here in place of x we have root x. So here if we have x we will use x square. If we have root x, so we will be also performing square of root x here. Okay, 1 upon under root 1 minus under root whole square, and as you all know under root x whole square is x. So we will have 1 upon under root 1 minus x, and we have this as dy by dx. Now we have to calculate differentiation of this function. So we will be calculating using log function, letting it as t, let t equals to sin x raised to x, then performing next step, taking log both sides. After taking log, in LHS we will have log t equals to log sin x raised to x, and now as you see that there is a power raised to sin x function here in log function. So power will get multiplied to the base function, power will get multiplied to the base function, means x into log x, x into log sin x, and in LHS we have log t here, we have log t here. So now differentiating both sides. After differentiation of log x is 1 upon x, so differentiation of log t is 1 upon t dt by dx, 1 upon t dt by dx. We will differentiate this function with respect to x, so we have 1 upon t dt by dx equals to d by dx of x log sin x, x log sin x, letting x as first function and log sin x as second function. We will be using product rule here in these function, as there is a multiplication of functions here. So according to product rule, we have second function means log sin x into differentiation of first function means d by dx of x plus first function means x here into d by dx of second function which is log sin x here. Okay, as you all know, differentiation of x with respect to x is always 1 plus x into differentiation of log function is 1 upon x, यानी कि differentiation of log sin x is equals to 1 upon sin x. 1 upon sin x, log x is x, 1 upon x, so log sin x will be 1 upon sin x, and here we will also differentiate sin x. We will also differentiate sin x, and as you all know, differentiation of sin x is always cos x. Differentiation of sin x is cos x. So writing differentiation of sin x here directly, differentiation of sin x is cos x. So now simplifying this, we have log sin x plus x into cos x upon sin x. Cos x upon sin x. Cos x upon sin x is cot x. So we have x cot x. X cot x. And in LHS side we have 1 upon t dt over dx here. So putting value of t from equation number 1, we will have dt means d by dx of t which is sin x raised to x. Sin x raised to x. As you all are seeing that we have to calculate d by dx of sin x raised to x here, and we have come across with this term also here, that is we have to find out this, and we have find this here, but there is multiplication of 1 upon t here, 1 upon t multiplication here. So for finding value of this, we have to multiply 1 upon t. We have to shift this 1 upon t to RHS by multiplying it in the numerator, means like this. So putting value of t from equation number 1, we will have sin x raised to x. Okay, you can also write as from equation number 1. So now you have calculated differentiation of first function also. Putting the value of this differentiation over here, we will have log sin x plus x cot x sin x raised to x plus, as we have already found out the differentiation of sin inverse root x, which is 1 upon under root 1 minus x. So this will be the differentiation of y function with respect to x here. Okay, so this will be the answer to this question. First, as you encounter this type of questions, when you encounter this type of question, so you have to analyze which type of function is given over here. If you have any function which has power over its top, so you have to use log function like this. And if you already know the standard formula, that is in this case we know differentiation of sin x inverse, which is 1 upon under root 1 minus x square. So we will be directly putting over here. We will be directly using identity. And then if you have a function like this, then you have to follow these steps in this sequence only. Okay, so that's all for today's video session. Meeting soon in my next video with remaining question of this exercise with full explanative way. So for more content and for more solution of this exercise, and for all NCERT, get connected with us on our YouTube channel as well as on our Facebook page. Thank you.